Hey yummies, what's up? Today we're making whoopie pies. Let's get into this video. Here are all the ingredients I used for this recipe, for the cookies as well as for the delicious cream cheese filling. Simple ingredients that you probably already have in your cupboard. We start by mixing the dry ingredients of flour and cocoa powder, as well as salt and baking soda. And then we begin to whisk these dry ingredients together until everything is thoroughly combined. It's time to get the wet ingredients together. So we're going to combine brown sugar with buttermilk and oil and an egg, and finally vanilla extract. Now we take our hand mixer and mix on medium speed the wet ingredients until it's light and fluffy. After that, we take the dry ingredients that we've set aside and we mix them in with the wet ingredients using a hand mixer on medium speed. And we mix and mix and mix until it all comes together into a nice cookie batter. Ooh, it's so chocolatey and delicious. Doesn't that look pretty? Now we're going to add hot water to the batter mixture, and we're going to mix with a hand mixer one more time to bring this together. You'll need a few baking sheets for the cookies. I didn't have any, so I improvised and used a top of one of my metal baking pans. But you have to make sure that you butter and flour any nonstick pan that you're using so that the cookies do not stick to the pan. So I've got 3 pans going here, as you can see. And you scoop out the batter using a tablespoon and a half, leaving the cookies 2 inches apart. Bake those cookies in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes. Next, we're going to make the whoopie pie filling with butter, cream cheese, powdered sugar, and we're going to mix that together until it's well combined. Oh, this is so good. Look at that, you guys. And then finally, we're going to add vanilla extract to the filling. Now, cream cheese makes it nice and fluffy, but also stiff enough so that your filling won't be melting and running all over the place outside of your cookies. They'll hold up well whether you leave them unrefrigerated or whether you refrigerate them. When your cookies are done baking, set them aside to cool off, and then you can begin to assemble them with the filling. Here's the finished product. They kind of taste like devil dogs. So, those whoopie pies were delicious. Thank you guys for joining me today. I'm glad you came back. If you liked the video, make sure you comment and let me know so that I'll make more of these. Please subscribe if you haven't. Share this video with your friends and family. Enjoy that dessert recipe because it was a hit around here. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.